Are you intrigued by induction cooktops, but not sure if this new way of cooking is for you? Well, keep listening as we here at Lux Kitchen and Bath in Boise, Idaho, explain 7 reasons why you should have induction in your kitchen right now. Reason number 1, swift, steady heat. Imagine placing a pot on an induction cooktop and instantly hearing your ingredients begin to sizzle. That's the magic of induction cooking. It's super fast. Induction's amazing magnetic heat delivers swift and steady heat directly to your cookware, not to the cooktop, ensuring that no time is wasted in achieving that perfect temperature. It's like a fast-track ticket to culinary success. Number 2, energy efficiency. Induction cooking is a superstar in conserving energy. By heating the cookware directly, minimal heat is lost to the surroundings, maximizing your energy use. With induction ranges and cooktops, you can whip up delicious dishes while being kind to the environment and saving hard, cold cash on your utility bills. Now that's a winning combination. Reason number 3, precise control. With intuitive controls at your fingertips, you'll have the power to finely adjust induction heat levels to suit your culinary needs. From gently melting fine chocolate or quickly bringing a pot of water to boil for pasta, induction offers much better heat control than is possible with traditional electric or even gas cooking. Reason number 4, safety and style. Safety should never compromise style, and induction cooktops understand that philosophy perfectly. The cool-to-touch surface of an induction range or cooktop is elegant, and yet it's safe. No more accidental burns, no more worries about little ones reaching for hot surfaces. With induction cooking, you can have both safety and style in your kitchen. And as a bonus, that sleek glass cooktop can serve as additional counter space when it's not in use. It won't be hot. Number 5, auto-off function. Induction ranges are designed for peace of mind. If you forget to turn off the heat or remove a pot from the cooking zone, don't worry. The cooktop automatically detects the absence of cookware and shuts off after a few minutes, ensuring your safety and preventing any mishaps. It's like having a reliable kitchen assistant always looking out for you. Number 6, child lock. When it comes to little ones exploring the kitchen, safety is paramount. Most induction ranges or cooktops offer a child lock feature to keep tiny hands from inadvertently activating the cooktop or making changes to the cooking settings. With this handy feature, you can have peace of mind knowing that your little helpers are protected while you work your magic in the kitchen. Finally, reason number 7, pan detection. Induction cooktops have a clever pan detection feature, adding an extra layer of safety to your work in the kitchen. If you happen to place an unsuitable pan or pot on the cooking zone, the induction technology won't activate, preventing any accidents or damage. Swift and steady heat, energy efficiency, precise control, cool-to-touch surfaces, all these things make induction ranges and cooktops a perfect addition to your kitchen. Would you like a demonstration? At Lux Kitchen and Bath, we're always happy to answer your questions or show you our amazing induction products. Give us a call today. The phone number is in the description of the video below.